Welcome to the fifth part of Nernst distribution law. Here, in the last two videos, we are discussing about different cases of Nernst distribution law. First is association of the solute in one of the solvent. Case 2 is dissociation of solute in one of the solvent. Next, we move on to our case 3, that is solute enter into the chemical combination with one of the solvent. In this case, that is our X is our solute that distribute between two immiscible solvent A and B. In phase 1, that is in solvent A, there is no change, but in phase 2, it is in combination with the solvent, that is X NX gives X NS, that undergo combination with the solvent. If alpha is the fraction of solute that enter into the chemical combination with the solvent, then the concentration of molecular species become concentration of various molecular species become concentration of uncombined solute molecules. Solute does not form, that is in phase 2 or phase B or in solvent B, the concentration of uncombined solute molecule is Cb into 1 minus alpha, and concentration of complex formed is Cb into alpha. Then applying law of chemical equilibrium to this particular equation, X Nx into X Ns, we get we get K equal to, that is our equation is X Nx, that is the concentration of complex formed product by reactant. Complex formed is Cb into alpha divided by X, and concentration of uncombined solute molecule is Cb into 1 minus alpha into solvent Xn, so solvent into solvent raised to n. Since solvent is very large excess, its concentration may be taken as a constant, so this equation becomes we taken as constant. So this equation become Cb alpha divided by Cb into 1 minus alpha is equal to a constant. Cb alpha divided by Cb into 1 minus alpha is constant. According to Nernst distribution law, the distribution law is valid in molecular species that is distributed in both the solvents, that is X distributed in both the solvents. Hence our equation is Ca divided by Cb into 1 minus alpha is equal to a constant. So this is taken as equation 1, this is taken as equation 2. Then dividing equation 2 by equation 1, equation 2 by equation 1, dividing equation 2 by equation 1, our equation becomes equation 2 by equation 1. We get Cb Ca by Cb is equal to a constant. This one is we are familiar, that is similar to or Ca by Cb is equal to a constant. That is the, or it is the fundamental equation of Nernst distribution law. That is, if a solute undergo chemical combination with one of the solvent does not make any change in the fundamental equation of Nernst distribution law, except in changing the numerical values of partition coefficient. That is the Nernst distribution